I was studying civil engineering and I walked into the lab one day and it was just dead quiet. Nobody wanted to talk. And I was like, I can't do this. I need just some kind of action. I cannot sit at the computer and just stay silent all the time. And so that's when I started looking at what my other options were besides going into design. Construction was kind of the one thing that jumped out. And the one thing that still keeps me excited about construction is the fact that no 2 days are the same. I like that it's one day I might be at my desk all day, but the next day we might be running around in the field, putting out a million fires. When I first started, I was a lot less confident in my own ability, and kind of having that support helped build that personal confidence, but also just kind of that drive to take on and own every task thrown my way. I hope to grow to the point where I'm a leader that somebody can look up to or come to with problems, but I also want to just become continually more confident in my ability and not second guess myself as much. So I would say since starting at Saunders, I was working with Maggie Carlos, she just got promoted to senior PM, and she's been a pretty big mentor and influence in my career. And just having her trust me with things that I was never sure if I was ready to start taking on, that she would trust me with that and help coach me through how to handle difficult situations with subcontractors or learning new skills towards becoming a PM. I feel like there's, at least working with like a female senior manager, like it was I could talk to her about everything, which was nice, like you had somebody you could bond with and you could see somebody who's in a position that you one day want to be in. So it's a role model for you to look up to and see that there is a path for you and you don't have to forge your own is nice. And just to kind of have that camaraderie. To me, it's nice to have a week just to acknowledge it because it is a predominantly male-dominated industry. And so to have a week to celebrate all of the women who are doing amazing things each in their own lane. When you get to see the little Saunders network page go up with everybody there, you're like, wow, that's great. Like, gotten to see her a few times that I've ever got to work with her. And like, I hope I get to work with that woman one day.